To charge your HearClear HCRD or HearClear GO rechargeable hearing aid, first, plug the charging adapter into the outlet. Then, plug the USB Type-A end of the included cord into the adapter, and the USB Type-C end of the cord into the charging base. Check the LED light on the charging base to see if it has turned green. If the light is green, the charging base is ready to charge your hearing aid. Place the hearing aid, bottom end first, into the charging base. Whether the hearing aid is facing forward or facing backward, the magnetic pole between the hearing aid and charger will properly align the hearing aid to charge. With the hearing aid in the charging base, check the LED light on the hearing aid itself. The LED light on the hearing aid should be blue to indicate that the hearing aid is charging. When the device has reached a full charge, the LED light on the hearing aid will change from blue to green. At this point, you can remove the device from the charging base. If you have any questions, give us a call or send us an email at support@advancedaffordablehering.com.